Hey, welcome back to our second week of distance learning. Glad you're here, and I'm glad I'm here because it means we're here together, which means we can get started on today and the rest of the week. Now, this week we're going to be reading a short story. First one from our text. You can see it's called Rogue Wave, and it's a short story by Theodore Taylor. Now, before we read it, I'd like to do some preview activities. Now, we're going to use something today to preview it called Kahoot. Maybe you've done these before, maybe you've heard of them. We're going to practice using them for my class because it's one of the review tools that we use over distance learning. So we're going to Kahoot. Doing it, you're going to learn or try and guess some facts about me. I heard plenty about you last week. Now you're going to learn a little bit about me. I'm not just going to say it, try and use the hints that are right in front of you on your questions, and those should help. But more than that, we're going to have a preview of some vocabulary words. Everything we read in our text has vocabulary words, words we need to understand so the reading will be easier, sorry. And we're going to preview the story. Just looking, I want you to be able to try and guess and see and think if you can figure out what the story's going to be about, stuff like that, because it'll help your comprehension, how well you understand it, if you can guess and then see how well your guesses went. Now, first thing to do, we're in our online reading class. As always, we're going to go to Classwork. Here's our week, Rogue Wave Introduction Day. Let's view the assignment. Instructions. It's complete today's attendance bell work. Hopefully you've done that. If you haven't, jump to that. Watch today's instructional video, Rogue Wave Introduction. That's what you're doing right now. Complete today's activity, getting to know Kahoot. The main event. Play Kahoot. And right now, I'm going to get out of your way for a minute. First thing you're going to do is give your name. I need your real name for these. And it will start you off. And then it's going to count us down like a movie right there. And you can see there's 12 questions. Question will always be up here. What is your teacher's name? Hopefully, we all get this one right. It's a right answer. So that gives us points. Ta-da. Now, I'm not going to jump through all, and you can just click to next. It won't go until you click next. Now, I want to point something else out. When you're done, it's going to give you a score. I need you to remember that because that's going to be one of the first most important questions on your ticket because I have to know that you reviewed. I think it's very important you do your review activities before you do your assignments. Don't try and guess through them. Now, once you go back to the Google Classroom and open up your assignment, it'll look very much like this. Getting to know Kahoot. It looks just like that. It's only 3 questions today. It's about practicing Kahoot and previewing our story. Now, I wouldn't worry too much because you got this. Till next time.